So hello, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Namamoto Vlogs. This is Tawfiq here, back with another video.
It's never too late to make a difference.
So today we are heading towards Art of Motorcycle because many of you would know about it, many of you don't, because I have not shared this thing on my YouTube channel that I had met with an accident last year, I guess last year Jan or Feb. Since then my front forks has some issue. I don't know if the forks are bent. I gave it a couple of times in Joe's. They cannot rectify it. They ended up saying that I have to change the forks itself, which indeed is not a very economical idea to do. So again my fork started giving a lot of problem, like the fork wobbles. I cannot corner at all, like even normal speed corners I cannot take. I have to really slow down, brake in and then take the corner, which is very irritating, I would say, because I'm a guy who loves to take corners, or at least who loves to take normal flowing corners. So I again wanted to leave the bike in Joe's for the issue, but then Suhail isn't available. He's not been coming since the lockdown has been lifted. So I spoke to Zohaib Bhai, who is the younger brother of Murtaza Junaid Bhai, and I spoke to him last night regarding the same issue, and he was like, come, we'll check what's wrong, and if it can be rectified then we will rectify the problem and he'll fix the bike and give it to me. Yeah, very nice. उड़ के चले जाओ. So that was one problem, and I have to replace my coolant because it's close to 10,000 kilometer, which I usually replace the coolant. And since it's summer, I want to put engine ice, nothing less than that, because that really makes a very big difference, the cooling of the bike. So currently I'm heading towards Tirumala pit stop first, which is in Lanford Road, right opposite to the Lanford KTM where I picked my bike from. And after picking the coolant, we will be heading out towards Art of Motorcycle, and I guess after that, if I have to leave my bike, Junaid Bhai would be dropping me back home, which is so much of fun. So we have to see how it goes after I pick the coolant, and then I'll update you with the pricing, what's the current price of the coolant, because back when I had picked it last time, it was around 1400 or 1500 change, and now I don't know. I believe the prices have been revised to a new pricing, which is around 1800 rupees, 2900 rupees, I think. And the other problem with my forks are, see, just now, like the way I took the normal turn without any great speed, the bike goes outside, like it goes outside the line, and even if I brake, I feel the right fork is pretty soft than the left fork, which reduces your confidence. Like left corner I can take very well, easily, aram se, but right corner, or even when I brake hard, the suspension pumps a lot. So these all issues have to be rectified soon, and this is how the roads look. It's like 30% of the regular traffic what we see on a daily basis on a normal day, but since the lockdown has taken place, and this is the partial lockdown where the government is allowing people to roam around from 7 a.m. in the morning till 7 p.m. in the evening, which is pretty good, and it's not allowed in all the cities of India, if I'm not wrong. some of the major cities have been allowed permission to have partial lockdown and let people roam around without passes. So we have almost, on our left is Tirumala pit stop, where we have come to pick the coolant. We'll just park the bike here, and this is my personal habit of parking the bike, which indeed results in taking out the bike easily. So I'm done here in Bikers Pit Stop, and Gunjan Bhaiya is here. He has planned a small giveaway for you guys, which is there, and I'll explain you on the way what the giveaway is about and how you can win the giveaway. So I have been completely mistaken the name of Bikers Pit Stop since it was Tirumala Pit Stop forever. From the time I know this store, it's been Tirumala Pit Stop, and now it's been changed to Bikers Pit Stop. And even their Instagram, even their Instagram handle is the same, and there is a giveaway through my Instagram page. It's not through YouTube this time, it's through my Instagram page, and by the time you will be watching this video, the giveaway will already be live on my Instagram. And to know more about the giveaway, you guys can see my Instagram post on my Instagram page, which is Namma_motovlogs. It will pop up right now over here. And let's see. Now we are heading towards Art of Motorcycle, and it's too hot, because of which I'm not able to think. And I've also picked enginized coolant, which costed me 1,600 rupees from Bikers Pit Stop. The MRP on it is 1,760 rupees, and there was a discount of 160 rupees, which is not a bad deal. So I'll see you guys near Art of Motorcycle. So we are about to reach Art of Motorcycle. We are in Nadugadi. This place is also called something else which I don't know. And this is the left. This was a bakery before. Now it's some art gallery. And to take this left, I guess, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, I'm not wrong. This is the left which we have to take, and Artist Motorcycle is on our left. This is Zohaib Bhai's Adventurer 390. So as you can see, the bike is here, and there are two other KTMs facing a similar kind of fork issues. And Zohaib Bhai took my bike for a spin, and he found out a couple of differences of the fork related to oil, related to the tightening of the spring, and few other, which we will go now and ask Zohaib Bhai. And even this KTM is having the similar problem, the Duke. Even that Duke is in for the fork issues, and all three of them. So my fork surprisingly is very much on the harder side. This has a uneven balance on both the forks, and that is too soft, which is like wobbling too much when you brake and when you accelerate. So we'll go out, head out. Zohaib Bhai is there, and we'll ask him what's the issue. So as told earlier in the video, Zohaib Bhai is dropping me home, and on the way we'll have some talk regarding the bike and other things as well. क्या है ये गली? ये मालूम रहता था तो मैं ये साइड से डाल लगाता था गाड़ी.
मेन रोड आगा.
वो ये साइड बंद कर डाले नहीं वो मैं ऐसा आको फिर आले को वहाँ से यू टर्न मार ले को फिर ये रोड से आया।
उधर से आ जाना फिर। उधर भी एक शॉर्टकट है वो नाले के बाजू।
हाँ करेक्ट। थैंक्स ग्रीन गेट। ओके शुक्रिया अपडेट दे आलो मंजे कब तो
खत्म करें।
ओके अल्लाह हाफिज़।